You can help a child learn about weather by making rain in a jar. You will need a glass jar, a plate, water, and ice. Heat the water until it's steaming. Pour it into the jar and place the plate on top. After waiting a few seconds, the child can put the ice on the plate. Then they can watch what happens. You can explain that water went up into the warm air, and when it hit the cool plate, it formed into water drops that came back down. Then you can say, "This is how rain is made. Water in the air forms clouds, then comes back down as raindrops." This activity helps the child understand where rain comes from.